Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. So for today, I wanted to share some of Dollar Tree's best Christmas finds so far. I know we're still in October, but a lot of stores have started putting out Christmas stuff. Whether you are a Dollar Tree avid shopper or you just started getting on the Dollar Tree train, I'm gonna show you the stuff to look out for. So I'm gonna start off with my favorite, which I probably shouldn't because I'm gonna get super messy, but it's my favorite, so why not? This year, I was absolutely floored by Dollar Tree greenery. If you've seen my haul videos before, then you know that I have a love-hate relationship with Dollar Tree Floral. I feel like they've been stepping it up over the years. Look at these picks. I have bought picks just like this at Hobby Lobby, and they are just slightly more full, and they're like $5, $6. Especially now that Hobby Lobby doesn't have coupons. So I was so impressed. This definitely looks, I would say, better than Hobby Lobby. They have different kinds. So this one has frosted berries on it, which is great to pop them on an existing wreath to give it some more life. These, which look like a flocked Christmas tree, they have two kinds of these. So they have a regular and then they have one with glitter. I bought one of each because I couldn't tell in the store. They have ones with other glittery shades. So many options this year. I guarantee if this was put out a few years ago by Dollar Tree, it would have been half of this. So thank you so much, Dollar Tree, for putting out this beautiful fern. Like I said, I am super messy right now, but I was able to find a ton of them in stores, and I spoke to somebody at Dollar Tree and they said that they have a whole lot. So moving on to another item that you should be buying at Dollar Tree, whether you are a Dollar Tree fan or not, and it is the boxes. So usually they have amazing boxes, but this year they have added much larger ones. So this one, for instance, that says Dear Santa. How cute is this? So it has the Dear Santa up front, naughty, nice, all of the above, which is really cute. If you turn it over, it has this beautiful stripe Christmassy pattern, and then it has the naughty and nice on the back as well. Another favorite gift box of mine, and they have these every year for pretty much every occasion now, are these little houses. This one is a gingerbread house, but they have all sorts of different ones. They come in different sizes, so if you have a little mini tree and you just want to pop these in the back to give it a nice look, these are the ones that I picked up, but they have so many more. So a few years ago, I made some treats for my husband's job, and I packaged it in a little Dollar Tree thing. They had paper ones before, and I'm sure they have them this year, but now they have these little displays. This is tin, so it's up to you if you want to use it for crafts or if you want to use it for baked goods. I like using it for cupcakes, or if I'm using it for something else like cookies, I like to line them with the Dollar Tree doily things. But this is so cute, and everyone could not believe that my treats were store-bought because they were in that really festive box. So cute, especially if you're on a budget and you are making homemade gifts. Another thing that goes hand in hand with the gift wrapping stuff is, of course, the ribbon. They have tons of bows, but the ribbon is so much more personal because you can create your own beautiful ribbon, mix them up, and they have so many good ones. If you've gone to Hobby Lobby or you've gone to Michael's, and you know that these are really expensive, and those stores no longer have good coupons. Hobby Lobby doesn't have any, and Michael's doesn't do the 50% off. So to see ribbon like this, and this deco mesh in this beautiful pattern, it makes this so good because it just doesn't look like dollar store stuff. So it is such a good find. Every year they have this garland, and I know it's not impressive, but you'd be amazed at the stuff that you can make with this. I actually have been making tons of wreaths since like 2019 using these. They don't look the best, but when you pop all of those picks and ornaments, they can really dress up this garland. So if you don't want to waste a ton of money buying garland that looks like this, then you can always do this and dress it up with the Dollar Tree ornaments. Ornaments are another great find at Dollar Tree. I especially love these clear ones. This year they have 3 different sizes. So they have the small one, which brings 2, the medium-sized one, which usually people use for the Santa cams, and then this huge one. If you cannot find that little lens that people use for the Santa cam, then buy this one. And I made this. I will link the video below, using another Dollar Tree item, and I think it looks so good. I also made the box that it comes in, which is made with Dollar Tree poster board. Poster board at Dollar Tree is 2 for 50 cents for white and black, and I believe the colorful ones are 79 cents. Look how good this looks. So if you're just giving this as a gift or, you know, whatever, beautiful. Other ornaments which are a hot seller at Dollar Tree, and for very good reason, is this very popular white ornament with the greenery on top and a little bell. People actually buy this and the one that doesn't have the openings to customize and sell, and they make a killing. Oh my gosh, it is intense. So these run out quickly. If you have a Dollar Tree near you, run, don't walk, or walk safely, swift power walk. In stores, they also had a ton of ornaments that were new to me this year, and for a long time, Dollar Tree just used to put out the same ornaments, but now every year they're adding new stuff. So they have these little plaid houses. They come in 2 colors, at least in my store. They may come in other colors, but usually Dollar Tree only carries red and white when it comes to plaid. Another one that was really impressive are these velvet ones. From far, they don't really look like velvet, but when you get up close, it looks so good, and it has those beautiful gold details. I really hope they come in another color, but for now, beautiful. These burlap ornaments look so good. This definitely looks like something somebody would customize. I'm sure there are DIY videos here on YouTube of people taking the clear ornaments and turning them into these beautiful burlap ones. So it's really nice that if you are not a crafter, you can just go ahead and take these ornaments and pop them into your tree. Before, it was really hard to find colors other than primary Christmas colors or just white and gold, silver, but this year I found some beautiful pastel pink ornaments. I really wish that they had that baby blue as well, but this is a nice start. So if you like something a little bit more on the delicate side, just know that they have pink ones. They also have these little like bundle ones. I don't know what to call them, but it's basically string coated with glitter. They look so good, and I know that it's another craft that people have done here, so amazing that you don't even have to craft it yourself. In the ornament section, they also had Santa, and it was really nice to see Santa in another skin tone because stockings. Do not spend a ton of money on stockings at another store because Dollar Tree has really stepped it up. These are some that you can find every year, like this one. This one is one of my favorites, but this is one that I found this year. Maybe somebody found it last year as well, but I really love this. This is so darn cute. Another one that is new to me are the sequins elf ones. Last year they added sequins ones, but they were mermaids and really random things. So any theme decor you can find. Dollar Tree carries a ton of shirts, and usually they're in primary colors, which means it's perfect for Christmas because they have red and green. I just customized one for Aria and myself, and I definitely feel like if you customize these, the pajama pictures that you would take are so cute. I recently bought some PJs that I think I could have just created using these shirts. They do have junior sizes, and they have all the way up to adult XL. Customizing these is so amazing. Be on the lookout for these. They're always in like the sock toiletry section depending on your Dollar Tree. This is not Christmas, and I really shouldn't include it in this video, but I know that Christmas ones are coming, and they're these little pet costumes. Usually around Christmas, I buy PJs for my doggies because They need to be part of the family photo. So I know if they put these out for Halloween, that they're gonna have Christmas ones. Even if it's just a little elf one, they have to. So if you're at Dollar Tree, go to the pet section. Do not skip it. Go to the pet section. Another favorite of mine are the scarves. They're nice, they're long, they're stretchy, so you can create so many things, and they come in really nice patterns. So I know that when you go to Christmas stores, buffalo check is a big thing. So the fact that they have these scarves, and they're a nice size, the things you can make. I've made pillows with these, I've put them onto small trees as tree skirts, so many things. You can cover ornaments with these. If you have old ornaments that you just don't feel anymore, make them over with these. This is the first time I have seen these at Dollar Tree, and let me tell you, in previous crafts, I have spent so much money buying pom-pom trim. This is 3 yards of pom-pom trim. This is in white, which is the color that I got because I feel like it's the most versatile, but they also have red and green, and hopefully after Christmas they add more colors and keep this as a permanent find. But if not, look in the Christmas section and these pom-poms can be used for so many things. Another run don't walk item are these galvanized tree collars. They come in red. If you want, you can spray paint this. I haven't tried yet, but usually when Dollar Tree has lettering, you can remove it with acetone. So if you want to add your own little thing and you don't want farm fresh Christmas trees, try some acetone, 100% acetone, and then use whatever you want. You can hand write on here, you can use Cricut, any vinyl cutting machine, and I think this is gorgeous. Obviously, this is for a smaller tree. I don't think this is for Dollar Tree's mini tree, which is something that they have every year. And now they have different colors. If you have a tree like the one I have back there, this would look so good. Tis the season for baking, and Dollar Tree has delivered. This is the first time that I see baking accessories like this. So in the party section, Dollar Tree has included these little cake. They have this size and a square one. I remember I used to go to a specialty baking store to pick these up because at Michael's they were always super expensive. So I'm glad that they have a 10 by 10. Is it huge? No, but for holiday baking it is absolutely perfect. They have all sorts of other goodies like the spatulas, this little icing set to get a really, really pretty effect, piping tips and bags, so many things. Before, Dollar Tree only had one piping tip and bag thing in the kitchen section. So this is in the party section. Be on the lookout because I think they're going to be adding a lot more stuff. These wood cutouts are so good. Not only can you use these as ornaments, but you can definitely personalize this, whether you are using a Glowforge, which by the way, if you want Glowforge videos, let me know. I do have a code below if you are interested in purchasing one. But if you're using a Glowforge, you can definitely get a really nice design on this, or if you're using a Cricut or hand design, whatever you want. These are just so perfect, and they have different kinds. I got these, but they have a Christmas tree and a few other things, and they are usually at like an end cap or those little aisles that they add right in the middle of the seasonal stuff. This one is my favorite ornament this year. It is this little skate boot thing. If you just wanted to use it as like Santa's little boot, you can cut this down. It is really, really simple to cut down, but oh man, so adorable. And I believe they also have this in red plaid, so options. For my crafty people, they have tons of yarn, and they do have this year round, but now around Christmas is the perfect time to buy yarn because you can pop this onto a gift to add little details. You can craft with this. You can do some elf on a shelf goodies on here. So, so good. They also have the little elf on a shelf plushies. These are hard to find, but when you find them, get them because most people customize them for their children, and it is a beautiful memory. In that video that I keep referencing, I actually customized one as well. So if you want, click below in the description and I'll have that video. So that is it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and you found some goodies that you're gonna be on the lookout for. I will probably be posting another one because I know that Dollar Tree is gonna be putting out more stuff